Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Microsoft Store is not downloading apps on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you're facing the issue that your Microsoft Store is not downloading apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can check your network connection. You have to make sure that you're connected to a strongest and stable network connection. Or you can also try to open anything else. It might be your any website to check if your internet's working well or not. So after that, you just have to go to your Microsoft Store again and you have to retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your PC. But before you do that, go to your PC or your software, your this PC. You have to make sure that in your C disk you have enough storage. So I recommend you have to try to free up 20 to 25 GB storage free in your C disk to install anything smoothly. So once you have done, you have to retry. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to press your window button and here just simply search for Microsoft Store. Once you have searched, just this arrow button here and then look for app settings. Just select app settings. Now in app settings, just scroll down and look for the reset options. Just tap on reset so you can see that this will permanently delete the system components data on this device including your preferences and sign-in details. So basically it will reset all of your sign-in details, your account of your Microsoft Store, and it will also reset all of your Microsoft Store settings. So once you have reset your settings, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.